Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you the most useful Windows shortcut keys that will dramatically speed up your workflows. These shortcuts works on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and they are designed to help you navigate faster, multitask efficiently and get more done in less time. So, so let's start with the essential productivity shortcuts. First one is Windows plus A. This instantly opens your quick setting panel where you can adjust Wi-Fi, brightness, and Bluetooth and sound and more. The second one is Open Quick Link menu. You need to again Windows plus X. And here you can see if you need fast access to the device manager, task manager, power option, or disk management, this shortcut saves you from searching through menus. Third one is Show or Hide Desktop. Let's see, we are in a, here you can see I need to see the desktop instantly. What you can see, what you can do, then press Windows plus T. Then it will automatically show your desktop, whatever screen is on, it doesn't matter. The fourth one is Open File Explorer. You can quickly open your File Explorer just clicking Windows plus E. Instead of clicking around, instantly access File Explorer from anywhere. The fifth one is Open the Run dialog. This is for essential for launching apps, opening folder, and running system a command faster than ever. Then this time you need to just Windows plus R. This is a run dialog. Now let's go over shortcuts that help communicate and control the system. The first one is lock your PC. How you can do that? Just select Windows plus L, then it will automatically lock your PC. Here you can see, just we are going to unlock my PC again. Yes. So if you're stepping away from your desk, the shortcut locks the screen instantly, keeping your data safe. The second one is the open voice typing and dictation. Great for writing emails or notes or hand-free. How to activate it? Just Windows plus H. Then it will open the voice typing. You can type your voice anywhere. Let's see, we are going to type this voice here. Again, Windows plus H. Here. Hello, how are you? You can see I'm talking and it is typing. If you bored or you don't want to type, then just you can enable this voice typing. The third one is you're opening your system. You want to open your system instantly, then click Windows plus I. No need to click the start menu, just jump to the setting instantly. The fifth one is open notification center. Check message or reminder and system alerts with one key combination. Just click Windows plus M. It will automatically open the notification center instantly. Number 6, open ease of access. Perfect for adjusting accessibility setting like magnifier, narrator, and high contrast mode. How to open it? Just Windows plus U. Automatically, this will open this accessibility setting. So guys, now for the gamers and streamers, this shortcut really matters. It's Open Xbox Game Bar. You need to activate it with Windows plus G. You can see if you want to capture screenshot or record gameplay or monitor performance here, everything you need in on one overlay. It is free and it is built in. You don't need to install any other software than this. It's super cool to use. Now for the second one for the gamers. If you want to connect to any wireless display or audio, just use this option. When projecting screen or connecting wireless audio device, just click Windows plus K. Then it will automatically open the setting any wireless audio device or display that you want to connect. The third one for the gamers, the project screen option. Choose between PC and screen only. Duplicate, extend, or second screen only. Just click Windows plus P. Here you can see you can extend your display, duplicate, or PC screen only or secondary screen only. So yeah, that's it. This shortcut can improve your speed efficiency immediately. If you want a full list of Windows shortcut, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech guides.